We're 25 minutes away from 7 p.m. Malebogeng here. This is Shania Twain with From This Moment. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're now joined by our tax expert on the show. It's Delano Abdoll. He's returning with small commentary on all things, let's say it again, tax. He's from Tax Consulting SA, and you would have heard him in our financial immigration series, which aired over the last few weeks. Tonight, he's giving you a breakdown of tax updates emanating from the recent budget speech by our Finance Minister, Enoch Godongwana, in case you were unable to tune in on the day.
I think if we focus on the landscape of the tax side, we know that there were quite a lot of rumblings as to what would the finance minister explore as the options to generate more income. What we seem to hear on the ground, pre-budget speech, is that there were a lot of predictions that VAT would be increased, that personal income tax would be increased, corporate income tax increased, as well as tax relating to special trusts or other trusts. And interesting enough, when it came to VAT, this was one of the types of taxes that did not increase. And we really think the context is it being an election year. We know that increasing VAT would very much hit the electoral base, if one were to speculate on that side. And we've also seen that personal income tax is maxed out, so no change to personal income tax brackets, rebates and medical tax credits. So what is interesting is that the tax base remains the same, but with less buying power. So there's a lot still to read into that. Corporate income tax already increased previously, maxed out, same with trusts. So that was kind of the overview which we saw. Unfortunately, no increase to fuel levies, in addition to the VAT and income taxes. I think one interesting thing to add is we also note that in the absence of healthy revenue figures, government intends to allocate 150 billion from the gold and foreign exchange contingency reserve account towards foreign debt services costs. I say it's interesting because it's again questions of where will we get the money and how will any initiatives be practically realized. So there's certainly a space to watch out for.
He's a tax expert and our resident one here at the Business Hour. His name is Delano Abdoll, and he's from Tax Consulting SA.